Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unfollow someone on Twitch. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Now to do this on your computer, just go ahead and log into your Twitch account. Now once you're in here, as you can see here in the left pane, you'll be able to see the streamers that you currently follow. Let's say for example, this one right here. Alright, now to unfollow, just go ahead and locate the heart icon, which is right here at the right side of your screen. Alright, as you can see, when I hover my mouse, it says unfollow. When you click on it, there will be a prompt. You'll no longer receive notifications or see them in your followed channel list. When we hit on yes, unfollow, you'll be able to see the person right here. Now to do that on phone, in here on your mobile device, just go ahead over to browse right here. Now go ahead and use the search function and type in the streamer, for example. Alright, and there will be a drop down, just tap on it. I'm going to tap on the profile. In here, as you can see, you'll be able to see the same icon. Just tap on it and you'll be able to see unfollow the person as well. Just go ahead and tap on it. As you can see, we have just unfollowed the particular streamer. And that's how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.